it's things like this that as a business owner, it makes me want to keep going. Hearing client feedback and client reviews is incredible. And I know when I show it to my team, they always get pumped up and they love it. And so this was a project we worked on about a year ago, and it's in McDonald, beautiful neighborhood, a ton of mature trees, which are my favorite thing to illuminate. And so this was a great opportunity. And so this is what we got. This is what they said about us. So Ben came out for a nice demo. We were impressed, and so we ordered. Ben came as promised. The setup was seamless, and the result was, as expected, fabulous. Ben was professional, and I would recommend him to anybody. Thank you, Ben. And so when a client wants to be able to visualize what their house can look like with landscape lighting, we do provide nighttime demonstrations. We come out about 30 to 40 minutes before the sun goes down, and we set up some temporary fixtures. And it's a great opportunity for you to see what landscape lighting can do to your property. So thought I would share. Have an awesome day, guys.